Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to recover your Steam account without your phone. Losing access to the phone linked to your Steam account can be stressful, especially if you rely on it for Steam Guard verification codes or account recovery. However, losing your phone does not necessarily mean losing access to your Steam account. Steam provides an account recovery process that allows you to prove ownership of your account using other information, such as your current email address and account details. The recovery process may ask you to provide information that helps Steam confirm you are the legitimate owner of the account. By carefully following the official recovery steps, you can request access to your account even when you no longer have access to your old phone. The first step is to open your web browser and go to the Steam login page. Once the login page opens, click on the option, Help, I can't sign in. This will redirect you to the Steam Support Account Recovery section. From the available options, select I forgot my Steam account name or password. Steam will then ask you to enter an email address or phone number associated with your account. If you do not have access to the old recovery method or you cannot receive a code through it, you can continue through the recovery options by indicating that you no longer have access to that contact method. In some cases, users enter a non-associated email to reach the additional recovery path, but it is better to provide any known account information when possible. After proceeding, select the option, I no longer have access to this email address, or I did not receive a code. You will then be asked to provide a new email address that you currently have access to. Enter your current email address and complete the remaining recovery questions. Steam may ask for information to verify that you own the account, such as your Steam account name, previous email addresses linked to the account, information about purchases or payment methods, other details related to your account history. Answer these questions as accurately as possible because they help Steam verify your ownership. Once you submit the recovery request, Steam support will review the information you provided. The review may take some time depending on the complexity of the request. It is important to understand that Steam will not simply remove security protections because you no longer have your phone. The verification process exists to prevent unauthorized people from taking control of your account. Common reasons users need this recovery method include losing or breaking the phone that had Steam Guard, changing phone numbers without updating Steam, losing access to an old email account, resetting or replacing a mobile device. A common mistake many users make is creating a brand new Steam account because they think their old account cannot be recovered. In many cases, the original account can still be restored through Steam's official recovery process. Another common mistake is providing incorrect or inconsistent account details during recovery, which can make it harder for Steam to confirm ownership. To summarize, recovering your Steam account without your phone starts by going to the Steam login page and selecting Help, I can't sign in. Then choose I forgot my Steam account name or password, and follow the account recovery options if you no longer have access to your previous phone or email. Provide a current email address and accurate account information so Steam support can verify your identity. These steps allow you to securely regain access to your Steam account while keeping your account protected from unauthorized access. And that's how to recover your Steam account without your phone. By using Steam's official recovery tools, providing your current contact information, and verifying your ownership details, you can regain access to your account even if your old phone or Steam Guard device is no longer available. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.